Hi everyone, this is Carol from growmommy.com. Welcome to Learn Chinese with Infographics by vividchinese.com. Today we'll talk about the differences between the character 不 and 没. After studying Chinese for a little while, you might notice that we have both 不 and 没 for negating something. However, they usually are not interchangeable. In this infographic, you will learn when to use the appropriate one. Let's begin. The character 不 negates the action in the present or future. For example, 我明天不去学校. I am not going to school tomorrow. 他现在不想吃东西. He doesn't want to eat now. The character also negates habitual actions. For example, 我不喜欢喝咖啡. I don't like drinking coffee. 你平常不看电视吗? Don't you usually watch TV? The character 不 also negates adjectives. For example, 今年夏天不热. This summer is not hot. 我觉得这个杯子不好看. I think this cup is not pretty. For asking questions, 不 is also appropriate. For example, 她是不是你的女朋友? Is she your girlfriend? 你想不想去看电影? Do you want to go watch a movie? And 不 is also used exclusively with certain verbs. 是, 在, 知道, 认识. For example, 你以前不是一个老师吗? Weren't you a teacher before? 我上个星期不在上海，我去了西安。I was not in Shanghai last week. I went to Xi'an. So in conclusion, 不 is used for action in the present or the future. It's used for habitual actions, adjectives, asking questions, as well as exclusively with some verbs like 是, 在, 知道, 认识. Next, we look at the word 没. 没 is used to negate past actions. For example, 我昨天晚上没睡觉，现在好累。I didn't sleep last night. I am so tired now. 你没做你的功课吗？老师说。Didn't you do your homework? Says the teacher. In sentences involving the character 有, which means have, 没 can also be used to negate that character and form a compound word for do not have, making the meaning of the sentence the opposite. The character 没 on its own can also have the same meaning, which is do not have something. For example, 我没钱买这台电脑. I don't have money to buy this computer. 他没有弟弟，只有一个哥哥. He doesn't have any younger brothers, only one older brother. 没 can also be used to make comparisons. For example, 今年夏天没有去年夏天热. The summer this year is not as hot as last year. 我觉得咖啡没有茶好喝. I think coffee is not as good as tea. So let's review. The character 没 is used to negate actions in the past. It can also be used to indicate do not have something, and it's also used to make comparisons. Let's practice. How would you translate these statements if you were to incorporate either 没 or 不 into your sentence? Number 1, I did not do my homework. Number 2, my father does not like hot weather. Number 3, she will not go to the music concert tomorrow. Number 4, didn't you know him before? Number 5, he doesn't have money. Link to the full infographic will be included in the description section, which will also include the answer key. Comment below and let us know how you would translate these sentences. Visit vividchinese.com for more amazing infographics. For more audio resources, don't forget to subscribe to the Grow Mommy YouTube channel. See you next time!